Dear students, in the last video we obtained the equation of energy density of capacitor, and that was, see, the formula rho equal to half of E square epsilon 0. This is the formula for energy density of capacitor. After that we studied the series and parallel combination of capacitor. In that, if the two capacitors or more than two capacitors are connected in series, so we obtain the equation C equivalent equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus up to Cn we can write. This is the equation of equivalence capacitance for the number of capacitors are connected in series, right? So if this value of the capacitors are same, then we can write 1 C equivalent equal to n times we can write 1 by C if C1, C2, C3 are equal at that time. So we can write n by C. So C equivalent equal to we can write C by n, right? This is for the series combination. For the parallel combination, what we can write? C equivalent equal to C1 plus C2 plus up to Cn we can write, and if the value of C1, C2 are equal, at that time we can write C equivalent equal to n into C. So these are the formulas we obtained in the previous lectures. Right now we are going to see the examples on these chapters. We will start from the 2.1. See students, the example 2.1 is a good example. You can solve it at your home. You can take it as a homework. Only you just put the value, you can get the answer, right? We will start from 2.1. See the example 2.2, example 2.2, and in the exercise example number 2.1, both are similar examples, only there is a difference of numerical value. So the example 2.2 is a solved example, and exercise example 2.1 is a unsolved example. So I think we should have to take the exercise example 2.1. Both examples are similar one. So we will solve this exercise example 2.1, right, because it is an unsolved example. What is given? The two charges are given. Q1 equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 8, Q2 equal to minus 3 10 to the power 8, and they are separated by distance 16 centimeter. The question is, find the point where the potential is 0, right? See, first of all we will see the charge 1, charge 2, Q1 and Q2. The value of Q1 and Q2 is given. It is a line joining these two charges. Along this line, where the potential is 0, that we want to calculate. See, for that purpose we are going to take, suppose this is the A point, this is the B point, and we are going to consider a C point where the potential is 0. We are going to consider, suppose at point C the potential is 0. So first of all we will write, consider a point C where the potential due to A and B is 0, and this point C is at a distance x from the A point. So what is this distance now? So this distance will be, suppose we can say that it is a 16 minus x, because distance between A and B is 16 centimeter. It is given to you. Distance between A and B is 16. If this distance we assuming that is x, then obviously the distance between C and B will be 16 minus x, right? So the potential at point C equal to what? Potential at point C due to the A plus potential at point C due to the B, that we can write. What is VC? VC is the potential at point C. What is VA? Potential at point C due to the A charge or Q1 charge, right? What is B? VB? It is the potential at point C due to the Q2 charge, right? So in this way we return. Now, what is VC? We assume that VC equal to 0. So 0 equal to VA. VA means potential at point C due to the Q1 charge. So we will write K Q1, distance between this, it will be a x, plus what is VB? Potential at point B due to the, potential at point C due to the B. So we will write K Q2 divided by 16 minus x. Correct? Take this on this side, K Q2, we will write minus K Q2 minus of K Q2 divided by 16 minus x equal to, this term will remain as it is, K Q1 divided by x we can write. This K get cancelled. Now putting the values of Q1 and Q2. What is Q1? Q1 equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by x. What is Q2? That is minus of 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 16 minus x. Minus get it become plus. 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 8 get cancelled. 3 divided by 16. 3 divided by 16 equal to 5 divided by x. 5 divided by x. So we can write 3x equal to 80. So x equal to, we will write x equal to 80 divided by 3. Right? It becomes x equal to, what is the answer? X equal to near about, we will get, what is mistake? 3x equal to 16 5. Is there any mistake? Yes, 16 minus x. 16 minus x. What we written over here? Look at me. See, 3 divided by 16 minus x. 16 minus x equal to 5 divided by x. 5 divided by x. So it becomes 3x. It becomes 80 minus 5x. Now it becomes 8x divided by 80, x equal to 10 centimeter, or we can write 0.1 meter. So this x, the value of x is 10 centimeter, means at a 10 centimeter from the Q1 charge. X equal to what? X equal to 10 centimeter. X equal to 10 from the Q1. So obviously that we can write 6 centimeter from the B, because the total distance is 16 centimeter. We can find another charge. Suppose near the B point also we can take a potential 0. So solving for that, see, erasing this. Now we are going to take another point, and that point is near to B. So suppose the C point at a distance x from the A, right? And here the distance between B and C will be x minus 16. X is the greater round, right? So x minus 16. Distance between A and B is 16, that is given. We are considering another point nearer to the B point. So the C point is at a distance x from the Q1 charge, and at a x minus 16 from the Q2 charge. So writing, consider a point C where the potential is 0, right? And the C point is at a distance x. This point is at a distance x from the A. So where the potential is 0. Again writing Vc equal to potential at point C. Potential at point C due to A. Potential at point C due to B. Right? Vc equal to 0. What is Va? K Q1 divided by, right, potential at point C due to the A. Distance is x. So we write x plus K potential at point C due to this Q2 charge. K Q2 divided by x minus 16, right? So when this term will come over here, minus K Q2 divided by x minus 16 equal to K Q1 divided by x. This K get cancelled. The value of Q is minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by x minus 16 equal to Q1 equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 x as it is. So this become plus, this get cancelled. Here 3 divided by x minus 16, 5 divided by x, right? So again we will write 3x equal to 5x minus 80, right? 80 equal to 5x minus 3x. So it becomes 2x. 5 minus 3 becomes 80 equal to 2x. So x equal to 40 centimeters. So another point we got, that is the C where the potential is 0 and this point is at a distance 40 centimeter from the Q1 charge, right? So in this way you can solve the example 2.2. Now the next example we will see. Before that you just copy down this, then I will erase the board. Okay. Now the next example that we are going to see. Very interesting example. See, example number 2.3. The diagram is given to you. It is a plus Q charge. Here it is a minus Q charge. The electric field lines due to the plus Q charge will be away from the plus Q charge. We already studied that it is a radially outward, and due to the negative charge it will be a radially inward. Radially inward, right? Due to the negative charge it will be a radially inwards. So this diagram is given to you. The points are given over here, P and Q the point. Here it is a P point, here it is a Q point, right? In the next diagram it is a A, it is a A point, it is a point, it is a B point. The first question that is Vp minus Vq, Vp minus Vq equal to positive or negative. And the second question, that is Vp minus Va, Vp minus Va is positive or negative. The difference of potential between the P and Q is positive or negative. Find out. Similarly, the potential difference between B and A is positive or negative. Find out. This is the question. See student, first of all what I want to say, this is the electric field lines as we know that it is a electric field lines. This is the tail, this is the head, right? It is a tail. As we know that electric field lines are always from positive to negative. So this is the positive point, this is negative point. And suppose on this line we consider the 2 points. Suppose here it is a P point, here it is a Q point. The P point is nearer to the higher potential and the Q point is nearer to the lower potential. Positive means we can consider higher potential, higher point, higher potential, and the Q point is at a negative, lower potential, nearer to the negative potential. The Q point is nearer to the negative potential. So we can see that the potential of P point is more and the potential of Q point is less, because the P point is near to the higher potential and Q point is near to the lower potential. That we can, in a tricky form, we can understand this concept, right? So with the help of this tricky, we can solve the number of questions, right? Suppose we are having, the question is like this, suppose we are having these electric field lines, right? And the points are given on the electric field line. Suppose this is the A point, this is the B point, this is the C point. A, B and C, these are the 3 points. Find out the potential of more point. So out of these 3 points, which point have a more potential, right? So we know that electric field lines are from positive to negative. So we can say that A point is near to the positive potential. We can say that A point has a more potential. C point is near to the negative potential, lower potential. So we can say that the C point has a lower potential. So more potential of A point, after that and C point has a lower potential. In this way we can solve these questions. So here in this case what we can say that, so electric field lines from the, it will be like this. So it is the tail, it is the head, higher, lower. So potential of Vp is more. Similarly, potential of Vq is less. So more minus less, answer will be positive. So here we get positive. Correct? For this, the electric field lines is towards the negative. So this is positive, this is negative. Right? We can say that electric field lines like this. So B point is toward the higher potential, A point is toward the negative potential. So potential of B point is more, potential of A point is less. So more minus less, again we will get positive answer. So in this way you can solve the question. So next question that we are going to see here, keep in mind the potential of P is more, Vp is more, Vq is less. Here also Vp is more and Va is less. Next question, question number 2. Second question. See the second question. Give the signs of potential energy while carrying a negative charge. Suppose we are having a negative charge and we want to carry this negative charge from Q to P. Negative charge we are carrying. Let me see the first question first. What is B question? Potential energy difference for small negative charge, right? So taking the negative charge from Q to P, negative charge, here it is positive, so attraction will be there, so potential energy will be less by doing or by carrying a negative charge from Q to P. So potential energy of P will be less. Potential energy of P will be less as compared to potential of Q is more. And the question, find UQ minus UP. Tell me the answer. The potential of Q is more, potential of P is less, so your answer will be positive, right? The next question, that is difference between UA minus UB. use the trick over here. Negative charge we want to carry from B to A. It is negative charge particle. We are moving towards the negative. So due to the repulsion, potential energy will be greater. So point A have more potential as compared to point B have the less potential. So point A have more potential, point B have less potential. So more minus less, again a positive, right? So this is your question number 2. Next question, question number C. Give the sign of the work done by external agency in moving a small negative charge from B to A. Work done to carry from B to A. Which charge we are going to carry? Minus charge. Work done. Formula is Q. Delta V is the basic formula. The charge is negative. We want to carry a charge from B to A. So we will write, right? VA minus VB. Potential of final point minus potential of initial point. Minus Q remains as it is. What we have studied, the potential of A point and potential of B point. See here for A and B, right? For A and B it is asked for A and B. So potential of B is more, potential of A is less. So potential of A is less means we will write minus, it is a VB, correct? It is more. So what we can write, minus of Q. So difference will be again minus. So this difference is minus. This minus get plus. So plus work done we will get. So work done will be positive. This is the third question, right? And the last question that we are going to see, kinetic energy, regarding the kinetic energy. This is the last question, question number D, regarding the kinetic energy. Kinetic, what happens to the kinetic energy for carrying the negative charge from B to A. B to A. B to A, negative charge we are going to carry. So what is the formula? This is this is negative charge we are carrying from B to A, means we are moving towards the negative charge particle. Negative charge we are taking towards the negative charge particle. So due to the repulsion, velocity of the negative charge will be decreased. If the velocity decreases, kinetic energy also decreases. Understand? So kinetic energy will be decreased. In this way, we solve A, B, C, D of this example number 2.3. In the next video, we will see the next examples. Thank you.